Alright, so today I kind of already got a jump, but we're doing a rotor on a 2011 Hyundai Sonata. Here's the new one. Here's the one that's coming off. I did the brakes on here and it started squeaking, so I'm doing the rotor now. It's got a couple of gouges in it. It's not too bad though, but we're gonna replace it. So once you get the tire off, you want to get the caliper for the brakes off. There's one bolt here up top, pretty simple, right? But then there's another one in here behind this control arm or whatever it's called. So you have to take this off in order to get the bolt that's in here. I don't know why they put that there or who thought that was a good idea. So we got to get this arm off. Last time I did the brakes, I had to take the arm off, but I switched some things around so it'd be easier the next time I do the brakes. But that's where we're at now. So let's get this caliper off, get this arm off, and we'll go from there. Now I'm going to use a 1/2-inch breaker bar to get the bolts broken free before I grab the ratchet and start getting everything off pretty quick. Alright, so there's that. So the bolt that goes on the other side, it's just a bolt, screws into the frame. There's no nut. The other side, it's a nut and a bolt. And both of these are 3/4. All three of them are 3/4. So now that that's gone, now we can get back here to this bolt right here. So now we can take this off to get the caliper off, to finally get the rotor off. Well, we still got to get these out. We'll get to that point in a minute. Both of the mountain bolts for the caliper are a 14mm or a 9/16. I'm getting the last one out right now. Now, this screw and this screw need to come out, but they're in there pretty good and you can't just use a normal screwdriver. So this is the impact screwdriver. So we'll put one of these in there and then hit it with a hammer and it slowly loosens it. Way easier than a normal screwdriver. So let's knock these out. Those actually came out way easier than I thought they were going to be. I thought I was going to have to fight with those.